But say, this is I so strong. I'm here to make it right. I would never make it wrong. Blessed love and blessed be the Almighty. Haile Selassie the first. Do give thanks. Yes, my virgin, one love.
So as we are chatting to the city now, give a little history about the little Coral Garden incident now.
Yeah, the Coral Garden incident, you know, it was a terrible atrocity take place against Rastafari. But you see why I and I view this as a thing would I say it happened, but at the same time we don't make it burden way, because I and I know so the same tribulation that Christ bear and the same tribulation I and I come bear. So Christ get crucified on a bad Friday, what they call Good Friday, and I and I get crucified on the same bad Friday. The eyesight, so Christ would have not bear the cross and the world go free. So that's why you find out say I and I people go through the same tribulation. So these are those that go through great tribulation through my name's sake. So I and I who suffer, because he said those who sow in tears shall reap in joy. So I and I sow in tears and I and I reap in joys forward. For no so boy, yeah. A Babylon you know. So you can't expect nothing good from Babylon because the system is so wrong. You know see it? So I and I see what I go on and know say it's just be evil amongst Babylon in this time. Yeah man, so this is Montego Bay town. Them call it Shamshark Square. This is where Shamshark Square. I saw them say Shamshark did hang himself or I saw. But anyway, this is Shamshark Square. So I go through the town of Montego Bay, and you don't know, going through the town is just an art of love. Yeah man, I so strong. Everyone know I and I in the street because I and I being a flat foot hustler, and you don't know how we sell the clothes and the shoes and the boot them, everything to the people to make certain say everyone hire. You know what I say? Because people like look good enough. So part of the never being the order say the hungry be said make it clothed. To sit nourish the age protect and the infant care for. So if we live what I and I live, we just fulfill the creed. So Mr. Man we cook big pot and just give it free to the people them. Yeah man, cook all them 15 and 20 pound of rice, pot of stew, tofu, and you know bean stew or whatever stew, and some steamed veg. And just I drive around and do them something there. And not just that. When I go to Bingi, I take on the kitchen. Yeah man, I just go spend some money and just cook and just give it to the family. Free of cost, because we don't sell the food. You understand? So that is to fulfill the creed that the hungry be fed.
So what your take on some of the rest of them who are trying to put money over everything?
It's look like them forget the creed. If you forget the creed, you know, you will do foolishness. But if you're conscious of your mission, you know, so boy,